What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. So after the video, I want you guys to go down to the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link. Open up that new account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, inflation is being very, very stubborn. Looked at the CPI numbers today, and inflation for the month of August was 8.3%. So if we go back a year from August 2021 through August 2022, prices of our goods and services increased by 8.3%. Now, some of you may say, well, hey, Richard, that's good news, right? Because July's number was 8.5%. And then June's CPI number was 9.1%. Isn't that getting better? I guess you could look at it that way, but you also got to think about this. Month over month, from July to August, prices increased by 0.1%. That is not good, guys. That tells me we still have an overheated economy. People are still spending way too much money. Another thing is our government is still spending way too much money. Guys, I'm all for student loan forgiveness. But here's the deal. There's a price to pay for student loan forgiveness. Why? Because the federal government has to pump money into the system in order to forgive that student loan debt. Money got to come from somewhere. We already got an overheated economy. Then the government pumps more money into it to do student loan forgiveness. Again, guys, I'm not debating that. I'm not getting political on that. I'm just telling you, when the government pumps money into our system, when it's already too much money supply there, guess what happens? Inflation. That's the way it is, right? So not only are us Americans spending too much money, our government continues to spend too much money too. And that just is a recipe for high inflation. So what is it doing to the stock market today? Whoa, the stock market is selling off. And the reason the stock market is selling off because investors thought that we would get better news when it comes to inflation. They thought we would get a sign that inflation is really starting to come down, which it's not. We did not get that sign today. So what happened? Investors started selling their positions in companies. Why? Because they're not sure what the Federal Reserve will do at the end of September when they meet. I can give you a good indication of what I think they're going to do. They're going to increase short-term interest rates by 75 basis points again, which will be the third 75 basis point increase this year. A total of 5 rate hikes this year, guys. And guess what? We're not done yet because we still got the fourth quarter of 2022, and they are expected to increase interest rates, short-term interest rates, 2 more times this year. So a total of 7 rate hikes in 1 year to do what? Try to push down inflation, man, because inflation is being so stubborn. A couple of things that led to increased inflation in August of 2022. Shelter, right? Shelter, housing, man, whether it be buying a home or renting a place, is still going up, right? Those prices are still going up, guys. Also, food increased again. The cost of food is still increasing, guys. So that's been a major problem, right? Energy increased as well. Now, I know a lot of you will say, well, gasoline came down. Yeah, it did, guys. Wasn't enough, though. Wasn't enough. And medical costs increased as well month over month when you look at July compared to August. So those four categories really help push inflation up by 0.1% over July in the month of August. So what does that mean for us, guys? Well, guys, let me tell you right now, with the market selling off the way it is, and I think it'll continue to sell off until we get some better news, it's a great buying opportunity. I was looking at Tesla yesterday. Tesla was trading at over $300 a share yesterday. Matter of fact, it closed at around $305. I looked at it prior to shooting this video today, and it's right now trading at about $290 a share, almost a $15 decrease from yesterday. Guys, I'm telling you right now, man, all of your favorite companies, all of your favorite ETFs, all of your favorite cryptos are on sale. And if you don't mind holding them for 3, 5, 10 years, man, what a great opportunity for you to start picking up some bargains. Guys, I'm all over Tesla today. Anytime Tesla's under $300 a share, guys, that's a bargain for me. That is my trigger price to buy Tesla when it's under $300 a share. So I'm all over it, man. But that's the powerful impact that the CPI numbers had on the stock market today, and really all markets, right? So what do we look forward to as it relates to inflation, and hopefully inflation coming down at some point? Well, guys, the Federal Reserve is going to continue pounding, increasing interest rates and force it down. So what does that mean? Our economy is going to be in a recession. It's going to continue to be in a recession. It may even go into a deep recession, right? Because that's the only way we're going to be able to get inflation down, is when people stop spending and when our government stops spending, right? And again, this ain't no political deal, guys. This is just the truth. When you put free money and cheap money and free money into our economy, when it's already overheated, you pay the price. And the price you pay is inflation, high inflation. So we got to get a grip on that in order to work together to get inflation down. When we start seeing real progress with real inflation month over month starting to come down, that's when I believe the Federal Reserve will take their foot off of the gas. But until then, they have the gas pedal all the way to the floor. And you're going to see that at the end of this month when they raise those interest rates by 75 basis points. All I can tell you guys is keep your head clear, stay focused on your financial plan, keep dollar cost averaging in, buying these blue chip companies and these blue chip ETFs while they're on sale. For me, guys, it's a great opportunity to buy today because everything's on sale again, right? And I think it will be for the next several weeks or a month until some good news hits our economy. And then investors feel like, okay, yeah, things are starting to turn around. Right now, they thought it would be, because if you looked at pre-trading activity, at least when I looked at it this morning, Apple was going up. Everything was going up. When I looked at my Webull account, everything was green, right? That told me the investors, the market thought we would get good news today. But when we didn't get that good news, matter of minutes, things turned around and everything in my portfolio was red. So that's how fast it works. So guys, hey, hold your head up, stay focused. Don't listen to the noise. Dollar cost averaging. Keep buying these assets where they're cheap so that you can build your wealth long term when they go back up to a premium, right? That's what I'm going to ask you guys to keep doing. If you want up to 12 free stocks, click on that Webull link, open up that new Webull account today, And man, go get them 12 free stocks, man. It's free. It's free stocks just to try out the trading app, which I use every single day, guys. So hit that link, open up that account, go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.